Under what circumstances do you recommend your soil care program?
Well, pretty much the soil in any residential area or commercial, more urban soils, they're compacted, they're not very productive, very low soil biology. And so I went with my soil care program. I'm treating all the landscape beds and whatever trees they have the budget for, even their perennials, their annuals. But I start with a soil analysis.
Okay.
And then lime, pH adjustments, calcium adjustments. I do BioBoost at least every other year.
BioBoost, that's a concentrated organic product.
Correct.
Is that correct?
Yes, very high in humates, humate acid.
So there's this program you're talking about. It sounds like it includes soil conditioning. It includes nutrients for the plants.
Correct.
It includes food for the soil biology.
Adding the biology itself.
It sounds like this is a much more holistic approach to
Correct.
plant health care. You're looking at soil, you're looking at plant, you're looking at all the aspects of plant health.
I have told some of my customers, if you have a limited budget, rather than paying me to stop out here once a month to spray insect and disease problems, focus on improving overall plant health. Because there's a lot of disease problems, especially that once they're into your plant, I can't do a whole lot about it other than prune it out.
Okay. And sometimes that means like at the ground.
It can be at the ground, yes.
And that's not what people want to do with their precious trees and shrubs, and it takes years to get like this, and you don't want them to.
I've been doing this for 28 years or something like that, and doing plant health care, IPM, and it was always focused on insect and disease problems, and I would see plants on people's properties of okay, there's no insect or disease on it, but the plant looks anemic. And so start focusing more on, hey, let's make all the plants look good. They'll look better, more appealing to the customer, and they'll have fewer insect and disease problems. So it's a win-win all around. So again, it's not just biology in the soil. It's an ecosystem in and of itself.
That's true. People don't think of the soil being an ecosystem, but there's millions of different kinds of critters alive in your soil.
I have heard in a teaspoon of soil there can be 30,000 different types of bacteria.
And maybe millions of actual individual creatures.
Hundreds of millions in one. I got a packet the other day of nematodes, and I showed it to the customer. It was a small packet of 50 million nematodes.
And it probably weighed, what, 2 ounces or something?
it would have fit in a teaspoon. And it was 50 million nematodes, which are a large actual, when it comes to like soil biology, nematodes are big compared to the bacteria and the fungi.
Yes, yes.